finally bring him down, you turn me into an ice cube for my trouble. Thanks, but no thanks.
Simon Phoenix! Lie down on the ground, or else.
You hear it boom, boom, when the smoke clears, everybody in the play, street, play, door, if it's like me, play, ball,
Stupid.
Are you shitting me? John Stockton, you are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal parameter statute. What the hell is that? Sir, I formally convey my presence. How you doing? Look, I hate to interrupt you two lovers, but that's really fucking stupid. You think he wants to start a business? Phoenix is going for a gun, plain and simple. Trust me, he's going for a gun. What can I say? I'm a blast from the past.
To hell with the hostage. This is between you and me.
You're under arrest.
Arrest?
Shit.
Is it cold in here? Or is it just me? Is it cold in here? Or is it just me? Good memory.
Prisoner reanimation sequence now entering final stage.
This is the best damn one.